To those of you watching at home, it may just look like I'm standing next to a busy highway, but actually I'm right here in a caboose currently on display at Doolittle Station here in Dubois, Pennsylvania. Now, this caboose belonged to the C&O Railroad. It was built back in 1949 by American Car and Foundry Company, and today it pretty much spends its life as a display piece here at the station. As you can see, just up top here, got YouTuber nzardoin sitting up in the cupola. And we're pretty much just going to be walking around Doolittle Station here, checking things out, shooting some video. Going to get lunch here at the Boxcar Brew Works. Might do a little bit of video of that. Not 100% sure yet. But we'll see what happens. There's the depot right there. And also the dining car, which that restaurant actually closed, but you can still go in there and look at it. This New York Central baggage car, there is a model train layout in there, but it's non-functional, so I don't think we're going to bother going in there and taking a look today. Little gasoline Plymouth switcher locomotive. You can see how this looks, and you can actually get up in the cab of this as well. Looks like what would be the fuel tank there, and of course the controls down below. So this is the Clarion caboose right here, and a little 040 Porter locomotive. You can actually get up in this on the other side there. There's a look at the front of the locomotive. Somebody actually parked here, so you can't see it that well. So this is up on the other side of that locomotive. You can actually get in it. Rather cramped cab. You can see what's all in here. So right here, this is just behind the creamery down there. This is the parlor car. I guess this is sort of like a venue. You can have special occasions, dinners, such here. And then over this way are several cabooses, and this is set up sort of like a bed and breakfast. Walk up the other side here and you'll be able to see them a little better. Just walked up the stairs there. You can see we've got Conroe caboose there. There's one for NYC. Also got a couple others over this way. It's gonna be hard to video these with the limited room, but you can see this one here's Baltimore and Ohio. Then we got a PL&E, not exactly sure what that is, but we go back this way, you can see the entryways into the cabooses. And here's this little red one. I actually saw photos of this online, and there was actually no windows in this. It was in a really sad state before it came here. And also over this way, got some of the cars from the Ringling Brothers circus train. There's another look at the bed and breakfast. This here is one of the Ringling Brothers cars, currently being converted into a bed and breakfast. This is one of two cars. There's another one behind this that's up on the hill. There's a look at the second car up on the hill here. Pretty similar to the first one, a little bit different. I don't think I really need to go up there or anything, but you can see what that looks like. Just walking away from the cabooses over there, we got this car here. It's the presidential car, and it's also a bed and breakfast. Don't think we can go in there, but you can see how this looks. And next, we're gonna go ahead and head up to the Boxcar Brew Works, get dinner and have a couple drinks. Currently at the Boxcar Brew Works. Just came in here to get dinner. Got a few drinks to start with. We'll catch up here in a minute. Boom. So got an elderberry soda and Nashville chicken sandwich. So I'll be good. Real good. Nice kick to it. Well, heading out now. Gonna go do
some model railroading in Clarion.
Yeah.